Alright, in this video, I am going to share the biggest risk that I'm about to take in my entire life, and I'm super excited because I know this is the beginning of something new, so enjoy this video. Hey, what is up guys? It is your boy, Tom.com, and today I am gonna make a really exciting video and share a project that I've been working on for the past little while. And this project, knock on wood, is gonna be launched next week. So here's the backstory, okay? Late last year, I started coaching people how to sell on Amazon locally in Vancouver. I know you guys probably seen a lot of these webinars online and stuff like that, which we've done in the past. But I started teaching people how to sell on Amazon locally because I'm from Vancouver. It's a beautiful city, but I feel like a lot of people are looking for something more, right? And I want to be able to offer them this opportunity to learn Amazon from me. So months went by, more and more people came to my workshops, and I started doing, one every month, and basically just renting out a classroom. And in fact, the classroom that I rent out is actually at UBC, and funny enough, for those who know, I actually got kicked out of UBC my first year I basically failed out. So it's kind of a full circle where I'm going back to the school that I got kicked out from to teach people how to make money on Amazon. It's absolutely bizarre. But anyway, basically, I have a lot of students here in Vancouver, and I noticed that a lot of these students, they would take my workshop, and I tell them, I'm like, sitting in the classroom for 2 days with me and learning Amazon with everybody else in the classroom is easy. That's the easy part. The hard part is when you go out there, when you go out of the door, when you walk out of the doors, what's gonna happen to you when reality hits your face, right? When life hits your face, and when you have family, your friends, and all these distractions, are you gonna be disciplined enough to actually focus on growing the seed, which one day will blossom into a flower or a tree? So I find that especially with the Amazon business, it is a pretty lonely business, right? Like for those who are already selling on Amazon, you know what I'm talking about. It's a late night, coffee shops, yourself, talking to suppliers. And I am really, really lucky to have a supportive network of friends who also sell on Amazon. And we often discuss Amazon during lunch meetings, we work together sometimes, etc., etc. And it makes the whole journey much more enjoyable. So after I have so many students, and I don't have any sort of upsells or anything like that, they have a student group, they have access to me over email, but I feel like there was something that's missing. I feel like there's people out there that basically want to fast track their growth, that want to be able to actually work out of an office environment, that want to collaborate with other students, that want to launch their product faster, that want to lean in on others and basically work their ass off to make their dream happen. So my friend Tony from Bessie, he's moving out of his office. It's in Cole Harbour in Vancouver. Beautiful office, top floor of one of the best office buildings in Vancouver, Bentall. And basically he asked me if I want to sublease his place. Now, lease in downtown Vancouver for 3,000 square feet office is not cheap by any means. However, it just kind of really came organically because what I can do, what I envision to do in this office space is basically, just having an open space concept, turning it into a Amazon incubator program exclusively for my students, where they can actually come in on the weekends, they can come in after their 9-to-5 job, or if they're currently self-employed, they can come during the daytime, basically work out of the space. We're gonna have quarterly mastermind events, we're gonna have potlucks, we're gonna have weekend work sessions, we're gonna have all these different amazing things, and I'm gonna be able to actually give that to my students because ultimately I want them to succeed, and I truly believe that by working out of this collaborative environment, the energy is going to be there, the environment is going to be there, the support is going to be there in person, and everything's just going to line up nicely. So that is the exciting project I want to let you guys know. I've been documenting this journey for about 2.5 years now, and quite frankly, it's been absolutely crazy. I remember quitting my job on December 14, 2017, and I never looked back. I burned my boat. I didn't know what I was gonna do. I was scared. I was lost because of you guys, the viewers, the Ecom Hub family. Before it was called FBA Hustlers. So for those who are watching that were back in the FBA Hustler days, I just want to let you know, like, everything is possible. If you put in the work, if you surround yourself with the right people, if you believe in yourself and you don't give up, and most importantly, have a supportive group of people that are on the same path as you, that's, you know, trying to build the same dream as you, anything's possible. So this is the beginning of something new. This is something I'm like truly passionate about, and I feel like this is the first time ever in my life where I was able to create this business, this environment that's out of true passion. For me, you know, I'm at a point now where I can do things that I truly love and not just for the money. So this was one of the first things that I've done where I'm like, man, this is sick. This is an amazing idea. This is gonna be crazy. I mean, today I just bought furnitures and, you know, it came to be over $10,000, but I was not gonna be able to afford that $10,000 if I didn't have money in the bank. But now that I do have that money from Amazon, from teaching, from other business ventures, I'm able to make all these passion, these dream happen and benefit other people along the way. So yeah, anything's possible, guys. Work hard, believe in yourself. I'm here to support you, and I'm a true testimony that you don't have to come from anything. You don't have special skills. You don't have to have any of this. You just need to try things and be open-minded enough and jump into these opportunities and surround yourself with good people. And yeah, if you guys are ever in Vancouver, let me know. Love to have you in the incubator. It's going to be called the incubator, and when we move in, I'm going to be able to film so much more content. I have so many ideas in my head, and yeah, it's going to happen. And this is just the beginning. I know 2 years, 5 years down the road, I'm going to look back at this video and realize that this is just the journey. This is just the journey. So thank you all for being a part of this journey. I honestly could not have done this without you guys. Whoever's watching, if you're watching right now, yes, you, even though we might have never met, I wish the best for you. I wish, you know, you have a crazy Amazon business that can make you a bunch of money, and with that money, you know, help the world, help other people, turn this place into a better place, and just, yeah, anything's possible. Hey, thank you so much for watching till the end of this video. Really hope you got a lot of value from this. And if you are interested in watching more, make sure you're subscribed to this channel. And if you've seen it till the end, give your boy a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section down below. And I will see you in the next video.